This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward, I hope all have a prosperous week. We're going to jump into week 42 of our Roth, and looking at the account total is currently at $12,959.14. Today is October 11th, and that account balance has been updated to $12,959.14. So looking at this week, we'll go down the line just like we normally do. Blink, cost basis 37.71. We're going to come over, click the down arrow, and go to option chains. And reading this, that we are 4 days out. The bid is currently $27.77, ask is $27.83. I'm going to look at, doing a $30 call or $30 strike price. This will be below our cost basis, so we'll need to monitor this to make sure that it doesn't go above that. You find the one you want, come over, click on trade. And reading this, blink, expiration the 15th of October, $30 strike price. It is a call option. We'll sell to open and do a quantity of 1. I'll review and submit. Next up, we have Wish. We have 300 shares of Wish. It's at 503. Cost basis $10.31. We're going to come over, click the down arrow, go to option chains. Checking our date, we are 4 days out. Bid is 503, ask is 504. I feel this one could start to go up. I think it went up. The high today was 526. So I think I'm just going to do the $6 one, and we'll just watch this one closely. So I'll do 3 contracts of this. I'll review and submit it. The Corsair Gaming, Nano Dimensions, Orbital Energy, those are all going. Actually, they expire this Friday. So looking at GoPro, we have a total of 200 shares, and a cost basis $11.36 a share. Come over, click down arrow, go to options chain, and we are 4 days out here. $8.99. We'll do the $9.50. I think we got away with it last week. Yeah, I'll sell 2 of these, and we do have 200 shares, so we will be doing 2 contracts. I'll review and submit. And the last one we have here is Zynga. Cost basis $8.82. Come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. And really about our only option is the $8 here. So we'll do an $8 strike price. And looking at our cash on hand, we currently have $705.79. I think I'm going to look at a Wish put. So I'm going to come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. And looking at Wish, it's right at $5. I think I'm going to sell a $5 put. So what I'm going to do is, if this stock goes below $5, I'm going to turn around and sell the $5 strike on 1 contract regardless of the other. I'm just going to look at this as independent of the other 300 shares I already have. That way I can generate, the strike price, the call options. I'll generate money to start lowering the cost basis on this. So you find the one you want, come over, click on trade. And reading this, it is a put option. So Wish, expiration of 15th, $5. This is the only difference here. We're doing a put. We're going to sell to open to a quantity of 1. I'll review and submit this one. That should leave us with about 300 in case we need to buy back some of the options. I'm going to go up to account and history. And looking at history here, we got 1835, 35 cents, 669, 1001, and 1235. And with those totals added up here, comes out to a total of $47.75. You know, I for one am ready for this market to turn around and things to start changing. But in the meantime, as long as we stay positive, keep working towards our goal, then we will succeed. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.